guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back in my car and I think you all know what that means. I'm doing another shopping video. Yes, I'm back in my car because I'm a shopaholic apparently, but I just left an audition. Let's put a stamp in that. I'm gonna tell you about it and how it went, but the audition is 5 minutes away from the Restoration Hardware outlet. I literally just was talking about the outlet to you guys and I asked if you wanted to see it, so here we are. It's right over there and we're about to go in and take a look. It didn't look very big from the pictures online, so I don't have very high hopes. This might be a little anticlimactic. It's a little annoying, but I have to do it for you guys. Like, I have to, So anyway, let's go into the Restoration Hardware outlet. I went in knowing that Restoration Hardware is a brand that is just very overpriced, and surprise, surprise, the outlet wasn't that much different. There were not many unique pieces and all of them were extremely expensive. Take, for example, this table. It was pretty much the only thing that I would categorize as affordable in the entire store. It was a table that was 80% off, so it was about $1,000 for the set, which is actually a pretty good deal. But as I went through the store, I realized that these prices were not much different than the retail prices. For example, these nightstands, super expensive. And even this dresser, which I thought was so beautiful with so much detail, the original is $3,460, where the outlet price is $1,730. So, still a little expensive for an outlet store. I was seriously offended at some of these prices. The pricing is just ridiculous. They upsell so much. And I just think it's absolutely insane for retailers to charge this much from people. These items can be found in pretty much any traditional furniture store, but the prices are almost 3-4 times. And for what? I went on just to browse to see what else they had. They had some good options, but as you guys know, I love a CB2 outlet because I just think that their deals are a lot better and way more affordable. There really wasn't much in there and it was a little uptight in there. The prices are just way overpriced in my opinion. You can get the same quality things for significantly cheaper. I don't know why I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. Anyway, I feel like that wasn't enough for you guys. I was in there for like 5 minutes, so I think we need to go to IKEA. Okay, so I lied. I actually didn't go to IKEA. Like 2 seconds after I said it, I completely changed my mind and I just wanted to go home. So I came back home. I'm back at my house and I thought I could show you guys the updates. I just got a neon sign. You heard me right. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it up. So I saw the sign on Pinterest and I really liked the way it looks, so I copied and I got it for my kitchen. I can't wait to show it to you guys, but first I need to film a TikTok of me opening it up, but I'll also make sure I let you guys in on what I'm doing. So let's do that, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take you on a couple errands, and then I have some things I have to do in the apartment, so we're just gonna hang out in this week's video. But I have another update that I want to show you. I got a brand new rug and I can't wait to put it down, but before I put it down I actually have to take this unit down because the rug has to go underneath it. Also, I'm almost certain that I'm gonna get a call back for this audition that I just did, but he sent this packet. Okay, I'm gonna just chat with you guys for a moment. So this is my problem with the entertainment industry and acting specifically. It can be very predatorial. Like, I went to this event and I had an inkling that it was like possibly a scam, but I was like, you know what? It had some reputable agencies attached to it, so I was like, let me go check it out. It goes well. I think he liked my audition and he basically said that he was going to be giving me a call later for callbacks. So I'm looking at the email he sends with information that he wants us to review before we go to the audition. So I'm looking at the information in the packet, and then it turns out this was an audition for an audition. So it's an audition to audition with casting directors. For those of you who don't know, one way that actors can get represented by talent agencies is through casting director workshops. A casting director workshop is where a bunch of either casting directors and or agents, like agents for actors, will come to recruit new talent. So you will do an audition for them, and if they like you, then they will either book you or sign you to their agency, and that's a win for that, you know. But it's not guaranteed. You're literally just going to audition for them, and if they happen to like you, you know, can move forward and get potential opportunities. If not, you just go home, but your money has been spent. So, you know, there's all kinds of price ranges for these, but they usually aren't more than a few $100s. I looked at his workshop and it's $1,300. I was like, what? Are you kidding me? And I think that's like very, very overpriced, and quite predatory in my opinion. I think that a lot of times people prey on like desperate actors. The whole way that his website is packaged, just like, come to Hollywood. It's like glamorizing Los Angeles. He has like opening shots of LA and like making it seem like this wonderful glamorized place, and like, come, I can make you famous, basically. And it's really like pulling on all these hopes and dreams of all these like more small town people, and even people who are in LA. Like, they come from all over with this like dream in mind, and they can really be taken advantage of. So yeah, ain't no way I'm paying $1,300 for that. You're like paying to get seen by people who may or may not cast you. And even if they do sign you to their agency or cast you, okay, if you get signed, if you get cast, yeah, that's a job booked. But if you, which is not very common, it's not as common as getting signed to a talent agent. So if you get signed to a talent agent, then okay, you're just signed. There's no guarantee that they're actually gonna send you out to auditions. You know, you're basically just giving your money away. I mean, it can be good practice, but not for $1,300. So.
No, I can't do that. No, I'm not doing that. I'm sorry.
I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. Totally not related to home decor, but related to me and my life. I'm gonna put the sign right here. It's pretty flat against the wall, so when I open the fridge, it should be okay. Should be, keyword. But yeah, let's open this bad boy. All right, I just took it out of the box. So look at it, isn't it so cute? Oh. This is from LC Signs, by the way. This is not my first neon sign from them. Yeah, I really like their company. I will link it below. I can't wait to hang it. Can't wait. I'm scared though. I'm scared to hang it. I just hope it's not complicated. I did not hang the last one. You guys, I cannot figure out how to hang this sign up. It's giving me a headache. Put the strip plug insert. Okay, put the strip plug insert, the controller, what? Put the strip plug insert, the controller output socket, controller and strip of, it's not English. And what are these? What are these? What am I supposed to do with these? They look like they're made for something that is TV mature, okay? Power plug, power on. It literally says power plug, power on. I love this brand, but their directions, 1 star. Okay, I'm just gonna have to wing it. So guys, I ended up taking the screw. Oh, I'm not in the frame. Okay, I ended up taking the screw and this little thing, and then I put the nail through that. It's kind of like a little gold washer, and the reason that's important is because these little covers are gonna screw on, no, not that one, are gonna screw on top of that to like make it look more polished. So I just nailed up the first 2 top sides, and I made sure to make sure it was level before I screwed the right side in. So I started with the left side, adjusted it until it was level, and then I screwed it in on the right side. I started with the left side, you know what I mean. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's so cute. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple days since I spoke with you last. My cousins are on the way right now because I'm about to put down my brand new rug that I got. I found this really cool blue rug on Amazon, and it's actually a bit of a dupe for some more high-end rugs that I've been looking at. I was looking at a Lulu and Georgia rug, this like sapphire blue, and I thought it would look really good against like the cherry wood unit, but the 2 sides that I loved, they were super expensive. So the one on Lulu in Georgia was like $1,300, and the one on Nordic Knots was like, I think almost $2K if I remember correctly, something ridiculous. So I found a nice 9x12 rug on Amazon, and I got it used, and that was $230, I think. So it's super big, but I can't put it down without moving the unit, so I have to clear out the unit, and I literally only have like 15 minutes to do this because my cousins are on the way. I have to push the sofa back, clear all of this stuff so that we can lay down the rug. You guys, so we just put the unit back and the rug is down and it's looking pretty good. When I rolled out the rug, there was a cookie or something in the middle of it, so I think the last person who used it thought it might be funny to leave me a little surprise. So I just vacuumed and it's looking good. I'm excited to put everything back together to, you know, get the full complete look, but I am liking the rug. It's super soft. Super soft. That's really the end of the vlog. So yeah. Guys, I totally forgot to record an outro, but I love you all so much. I hope you like the way the living room turned out. I am loving walking around in my apartment barefoot, just letting my feet sink into the rug. It just pulls everything together so perfectly. Anyways, I love you all so much, and I will see you next weekend. Bye.